Adidas is one of the largest manufacturers of sportswear and sports items globally, and they want to pay you money for helping them sell some of their products. And the reason why this works is because Adidas is a global brand. So most of the jobs they've done for you, basically everybody who is interested in sports or like sports or anybody these days basically knows about Adidas. So if you come to their website, you find a collection of what they sell. So they have stuff for men, women, kids, and a whole lot of inventory that they have right here. So you can see some of the things they do, and national sports kits, retro kits, club kits, and a whole lot of them. So Adidas again is one of the biggest brands in the world, and you want to become an affiliate for them because again these offers, they are easier to sell because they do have a fan base, and most brands will have fan bases. All you have to do is to put out the product in front of the fan base. And for us, we are going to be targeting, let's say, the sports niche, because we know that sports lovers or sports people, they are very, very emotional and passionate people. So these are going to be our target audience because again, the company revolves around sports anyways. So if you come down here, you click on the affiliate, you want to see how to become a partner with Adidas. What this means is that you are going in partnership for becoming an affiliate for Adidas. And if you come down here, you see what Adidas wants. They want people who can help them sell some of their stuffs. So if you'll be wondering, why does Adidas need me? They have the money, they can reach anybody they want, but that's not how marketing works. So if you come down here, you see they say they are looking for a person who puts in the work as an innovator. Are you an innovator? Do you inform? Do you inspire? So are you an influencer? Basically, that's what they're asking. Or you share information. For most of us, we are not really influencers. So what we do is that we share information. So let's say I wanted to become an affiliate for Adidas. I basically have a strategy in mind. As somebody who loves football, all I can do is basically to share some of their stuffs to football lovers. So I'm informing these people. So I would become an informer. So they say they want you to be passionate about the Adidas brand and lifestyle, breathe life to the content they share with compelling editorials, promotions, and a whole lot of things. Love things centered on sports, fashion, blah, blah, blah. So they have an audience of between 18 to 24, which can be quite relative because even older folks can be a part. You equally need to have an engaged audience, and you are able to drive impact through measurable performance. Like basically what this means is that you can drive traffic, and of course traffic that pays. So if you scroll down here, you can see frequently asked questions, but if you wanted to sign up, they are going to take you back to the website I'm going to show you. And this website is basically called impact.com. And yeah, some of you know I was going to talk about this, but this video is purely how to become an affiliate for Adidas. So you need to be registered on this platform, because if you want to join this, if you come back here and you want to join the affiliate program, they are definitely going to send you back to Impact. So let me see if we can even, okay, let's click on this apply now and see where it's going to take us. They are definitely going to take us back to impact.com. As you can see, this is the website here, impact.com. This is where you find the product. So I already have an account with Impact, and if you've been watching my video, you basically know that I like Impact. So this is it right here. It says partner with Adidas to be eligible, blah, blah, blah. It's going to take you to impact.com. So you can sign up from here, but it's better to sign up directly on the impact.com website. So after signing up, you are going to become approved and see stuff like this. I already have videos on how you can sign up to this platform. It's on the channel. You can check it out. I have a full playlist for impact.com. You can basically check the playlist out and watch all the videos about impact.com. So if I come here, I want to search for Adidas. So you come to brands and then you search for Adidas. So let me do that again. You come at the top here, discover, you come to brands, and then you search for Adidas. So let me search for Adidas. I hope I got the spelling correct. So once you type Adidas, you click on search, and you are going to see all the Adidas stuff right here. So this is Adidas for Canada, Adidas Australia, Adidas Mexico. Okay, this is Puma, and this is the Adidas partnership marketing. Now let's say we wanted to join for, let's say we have a traffic from Adidas Canada or Adidas Australia or Adidas Mexico. You can basically select and join this. So the reason why this has been created this way is because all of these countries, they have their own dedicated stores. So if you are pushing Canadian traffic to the Mexico website, it would not be counted because it would be difficult to track that since they have their own stuff. So if you have Mexican traffic, you want to select this. If you have Australian traffic, you want to select this. Canada traffic, you want to select this. I don't know why they do not have the USA, but I'm hoping this should cover everything about the USA. So you basically click on this and you can see, yeah, this is for the United States. So you can see the online sale here is 2%, and the good thing is that they have a 30 days cookie duration. This simply means how long people need before they make this purchase. So if people click on your link, they can complete this transaction in 30 days and you still be credited with a commission. And now this is for mobile sale, when people buy on the app, because Adidas also have an app. So if you come here, you see the kind of things they are looking for. Their preferred business model is loyalty and reward. This again is the affiliate link we looked at from here. You can come here and then you can click on the view terms. So you see the terms of becoming a partner with adidas.com. So you basically go through the terms to see that everything aligns with what you want to do. And here you can find the details. This is where the service, like I said initially, if you push traffic from a not recognized country, you are not going to be earning the commission, because a lot of persons have said this to me. Some people say they send traffic, they don't get commissions. This might just be the reason. All right. So if you come here, you see what they provide for you. So they have a product catalog, and they joined since 2016. This is their primary contact, and this is their address in the United States. That's of course if you need all these informations. But if you do not, you can just come here, click on apply. Again, you see what you are going to get, and then this is where you do a pitch. I already have a template that you can use to apply on Impact, and I'm going to put it in the description of this video. But basically what you want to do here is to tell them why you want to market for them. For instance, if we go back to the terms again, you realize it said they wanted innovators, informers, and influencers. So you can basically, since we are basically informers, we are, let's say, bloggers, content creators and stuff. If you're an influencer, fine, you can basically write and say, hi, I am a sports influencer with over, you can basically use anything that you have. Let's say Twitter, because sports is very huge on Twitter. You can say I'm a sports influencer with over 200,000 subscribers and high engagement sports fans. So I'm just doing this from the sporting angle. You have your own angle you basically feel as suits your needs. So let's say high engagement sports fans. So I want to share these products to this highly passionate fan base. All right, so you basically can make this final. Like I said, I already have a template that you can use, so you can just check it out. However, this is basically an interaction between two people. You can basically tell them why you want to become an affiliate for them. So since we are working with sports, I've just decided to use this. But this is this, I might, if I wanted to do this, I would do a better pitch. So once you've done that, all you have to do is click on apply, and it's going to take a few hours, sometimes 48 hours, and then they will look at your review and basically approve you or not. So that's how you join the partnership program. Let's say we wanted to do for Canada, you can come here and click on apply. It's basically the same process, but for some reasons, Canada people, they earn 5%, while the USA earn 2%. And again, you can view the terms and the details. As you can see, the Adidas Club sign up is 0. I don't really know what this Adidas Club sign up is about, so you might just want to read about it if you care about it, but if you don't, it's not really important. So the same thing for Australia, for Mexico, and the application process is basically the same thing. The key difference here is that each of these platforms has been created to target a different countries. So if you push this traffic to this one, you are not going to be earning the commission. As you can see, the other persons, they earn 5%, America earns 2%. So you come here, Mexico, you see they earn between 7 to 10%, and you can click on this to see who earns 10% and who earns 7%, and you are going to see all the information that you need about this. So for the purpose of speed, I'm just going to show you how to find some of the items that you can start affiliating. So if you come to the terms, you can see that items that are listed under this are non-commissionable. So if you sell any items listed on this, you are not going to earn anything. So if you sell the ones listed on this, you are going to be earning 10%, and if you sell the other ones that do not fall under this or under this, you'll be earning 7%. So sometimes it's always good to look at the terms so you understand what you are doing. So once you've been approved, I do not want to apply to this because I don't want to promote this, but once you've been approved, you can come to my brands here and you are going to find all your approvals. So I'm just going to use Lenovo for instance here. You can click on the assets here, and then you'll find all the materials that they've provided for you to market these products. Materials like professionally taking pictures and other materials like images, videos, emails, coupons, and a whole lot of them. So because these are physical products, we want to look at images, and you can basically come here, click on images. So let me look for so from here you can see some of the images of the items that have been provided for you that you can market. This is going to depend on the affiliate program. So we are going to work with the mindset that this is Adidas. So once you get approved, you will also have access to this. So I'm just going to download this, and you can use this as your header or whatever. You can download this image and basically use it to sponsor to promote your affiliate link. So you can get, if you want to put this image on your website, let's say you have a full website that talks about sports, you can copy this as a HTML tag. I already have a video on how to put this on your website. You can check it out. And this is also your tracking link, the same as your affiliate link. So if you copy this link, once you get approved, you are going to get a link like that. So if you copy this link, you can paste it and say go. So it's going to take them to the Adidas website, but in this case it's taking us to this company that does more of power station. So you come here, you see this click ID shows that this is your affiliate link, and you can see what they want you. People can basically land here and buy this product, and the moment they buy this product, you earn the affiliate commission. So this is how to become an affiliate for adidas.com. I hope this video has been helpful. Please ask me questions. If you have any, I'll be happy to answer them. And if you watched the last video I released, I talked about how to promote links like this on Twitter, and that video is going to help you get organic traffic to your affiliate link. So make sure to check out that video and make sure to subscribe, because more videos are coming. And as you already know, I am your friend, and making videos like this basically gives me joy. So see ya.